Every bottle begins as raw material. Material is stored under controlled conditions. Moisture is removed before shaping begins. Heat and pressure prepare the form. The bottle's foundation is created. Controlled cooling locks the structure. Defects are removed instantly. Only approved material moves on. Heat returns flexibility. Shape is formed in seconds. Structure is stabilized. Precision defines every edge. Quality is verified continuously. Flow is balanced for efficiency. Preparation for shipment begins. Products are secured for travel. Inventory waits on demand. Distribution is set in motion. And this is how modern factories produce plastic bottles from start to finish.